So March 17th is not only St. Patrick's Day, but it's St. Gertrude's Day, and she is the saint of cats. So perfect timing for Sunday cat video. So I have three cats, Leo, Luca, and Oliver. Mostly want to talk about Leo in this video. There's Luca and Leo together. Leo is our most gentle kitty, very sweet. There's Oliver, the oldest cat. Oliver's 3. And they're just playing. We feel so fortunate that Leo is so playful yet so gentle. Just a few months after we got him, he got very, very sick. His eyes were all goopy. He ended up having this very high fever. His paw pads got all swollen and he couldn't walk. We were really scared that he had that virus where he would for sure pass away, so we're all very scared. But he ended up recovering from it, and we're just so thankful for it. He's so lively and such a cutie pie. Luca's a little more of a boss, but they get along really well. Leo loves to be brushed, and Luca does not, but Leo absolutely loves it.
Your belly rubbed? Oh, sweetheart. Oop. You like your brush, don't you? You like your brush, don't you? Oh, what a sweetie pie, big stretch. What a good boy. I love you. You want more brushing? Oh, okay, sweetheart.
Here's Leo when we first got him. Look how cute, so tiny. He got so much fluffier as he got older. There's him with Oliver. And Luca. And their first Christmas. Love you.